Hello everyone, it's Grace, and today we are diving into the world of Google Drive. Now, if you're wondering what Google Drive is, it's essentially a cloud-based storage service by Google, and that actually allows you to save and access your files from anytime, anywhere. Now, the first you need to know where to locate the Google Drive is. You just make sure that you are logged into the Chrome browser. Try to hover your mouse and look for Google Apps. Click that, and you should be seeing a drop down where you can see all the applications in Google. Just look for Drive and click it. Once you click that, you should be routed to this screen here that I'm showing you. And that is it. So now I'm going to walk you through the nitty-gritty of creating, organizing, and adding a pop of color to your folders. Plus, we will learn how to upload files seamlessly. And yeah, excited? So let's go ahead and start now. The first step, again, in this tutorial is to learn how to create your own folder. So in your Google Drive, try to hover your mouse on the upper left corner of the screen where you can see the plus sign new. Just go ahead and click that. And the very first option in the drop down should be a new folder. Go ahead, click that one. So first thing that you will notice once you create a new folder is it's going to ask you to name that certain folder. Now, let's try to think of a folder name. How about My Travel Adventures? All right, and click Create. And there you have it. You will then be seeing the folder that you created. So next, let's add some character to the folder. By adding character, we can pop up a color perhaps. So try to right click the mouse and drop down. You should just click organize. You will then be seeing the color palette. So there are actually cute colors that you can choose from, and I want to choose, let's choose the purple one. Great. And you can see now that your folder is now its special color. You can do that to any folder that you like. Probably that you want to organize it using those colors. That's going to help a lot. And yeah, next thing is that we want to, fill in some files for that folder. So we will be uploading a file here. So it's just like stocking your digital bookshelf. So to actually add a file to that certain folder, you just need to make sure that you click that folder first before adding anything. And then you right click, or you can also use the same one on the upper left, click new, and then file upload. So there are actually two options there. It's either to just click or drop files here right away. So that's gonna be easier. So I'm just gonna right click the mouse, click file upload, make sure that will then locate that file on your computer, grab them, click open, and on the lower left side of the screen is where you can see there that the files are currently loading up. You will know once these files are completely uploaded because you will be seeing check marks, and these are the check marks that I mentioning, the green ones there. So you can then see that the two files are successfully added to the folder. Easy, right? Now, the next thing that I would like to actually teach you guys is how to create a subfolder. Now, a subfolder is basically another folder added inside that folder that you have originally created. So since we are already in that folder, you just need to right click again and click new folder, or you can do the option where you can see the plus sign on the upper left, just like earlier, and click new folder. Again, like the original one, it's going to ask you to name that folder. So let's name this Take Me There and click create. There you go. So if you click, if you notice your drive, the original folder that you created and the subfolder is actually inside that drive as well. Now, if you want to add color to it, just like the previous one, you can just again click organize. Originally we have chose purple, and then let's choose red. Okay, all right, so that is it. You have added a subfolder to that folder. I also would like to mention and help you out if you'd like to rename certain files. You can do so just by clicking your mouse, and you will see a drop down there. Just click rename, so that will give you an option to change the current folder name, but I just like to stick to Take Me There, so that's it. Now the very last part that I'd like to guide you through is how to share certain files or folders in Google Drive. So you actually have a choice if you want to share the whole folder itself, or if you just want to share like a specific file. Now, if you choose a specific file, just make sure to select that file. I'm going to choose Travel To, right click, and you should see there share. Just click share. Something will pop up and it's going to ask you to add people or group. So it's going to ask you probably the email or where you want to share that file. Or if you want to generally share it to a lot of people, just make sure that the access here is changed to anyone with link. And then you're done. You can see here that viewers of this file can see comments and suggestions. So just copy the link and click done. So I want to make sure that we get to try this out if that link is really working. So all you need to do is add a tab, and that tab just copy and paste it. If it's going to route you again to Google Drive and where you can see that specific file, that means that the link is successfully working. See? All right. And there you have it. So you've learned how to just up your folders by making a subfolder, even thrown, Virtual Bash by sharing files, added colors to the folder, renaming them. So if this guide made your tech journey a little more fun, let me know what else you want to explore, and I'd be happy to help out. Until we meet again, enjoy navigating the digital playground, everyone.